Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay. Then I am selecting the MMGS. Then extruded boss. Then top plane is taken. Then select the central rectangle and sketch the central rectangle. Determine the dimension. The length will be 100 millimeter and width will be 80 millimeter. Okay, exit the sketch and it will be upward 10 millimeters. Then again extruder boss is selected, click here, select the circle and go to here and select normal plane. Draw a circle, it will be 40 millimeter. Another one, it will be 30 millimeter. Then okay, then Ctrl 7, then exit the sketch, it will be 50 millimeter, sorry 40 millimeter. Okay, done. Then rip command is selected and select the right plane, then Ctrl 8 for normal plane, select the line command and connect it to this point and select it, then Ctrl 7, then exit the drawing, then 10 millimeter. Okay, then mirror command is selected, go to here, front plane is select, click here. Okay, done it. Again rip command is selected, go to here, front plane is selected, Ctrl 8 for normal plane, again line is selected and connected to this point. Okay, select it, then Ctrl 7 and exit the drawing, then okay, then mirror command is selected and go to here, right plane is select, click here. Okay, done this object, go to here, select the metal steel. Okay, full body selected, click here or here, this is done. Okay, you can change the isometric view. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and